Did you know that broccoli contains more vitamin C than an orange? Yes, you heard that right. This humble green veggie, often overshadowed by its flashier cousins, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, sporting 3 main varieties. Whether you munch it raw or prefer it steamed, broccoli is brimming with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. It's like a surprise party for your health, with each bite offering a new gift. Stick around to unravel more astonishing facts about this green powerhouse. While oranges get all the fame, broccoli quietly takes the lead in the vitamin C race. This humble green vegetable doesn't just add color to your plate, but also packs a punch when it comes to vitamin C. Broccoli is a veritable vitamin C powerhouse. This vital nutrient is essential for our health, supporting our immune system, promoting radiant skin, and even boosting our mood. It's a crucial player in the body's defense against disease and infection. Now here's the real kicker. While a medium-sized orange provides about 70 milligrams of vitamin C, a cup of cooked broccoli offers a whopping 101 milligrams. Yes, you heard it right. Broccoli surpasses oranges in the vitamin C department, but that's not all. Broccoli doesn't lose its vitamin C content when cooked, unlike many other fruits and vegetables. So whether you like it steamed, sautéed, or baked, you're still getting that vitamin C goodness. Next time you reach for an orange for your vitamin C fix, remember there's a green hero waiting in the wings. Broccoli isn't just rich in vitamins, it's an antioxidant arsenal ready to wage war against free radicals. Now you may be wondering, what's this talk of warfare and arsenals? Well, let's break it down. Antioxidants are like the superheroes of your body, swooping in to neutralize harmful free radicals. Free radicals, on the other hand, are the villains in this story, unstable molecules that can cause damage to your body's cells. The magic of broccoli lies in its generous offering of these superheroes. From vitamin C to beta-carotene, broccoli is like a VIP party of antioxidants. They team up to protect your body, reducing inflammation and guarding against cell damage. The result? A better functioning body and a lower risk of chronic diseases. But that's not all. Broccoli also contains bioactive compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds add an extra layer of protection, helping your body fight off harmful invaders. So, next time you see broccoli in your salad or on your dinner plate, remember it's not just a vegetable. It's an army of antioxidants, diligently working to protect your health. With broccoli on your plate, you're well armed for the battle against cell damage. Broccoli doesn't just fight cell damage, it's also a peacekeeper, calming inflammation in your body. This green powerhouse is packed with bioactive compounds that act like the body's personal mediators, helping to soothe inflammation. You see, inflammation is a natural response of the body to protect itself. But when it gets out of hand, it can lead to a host of health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. That's where broccoli steps in. It says, hey, inflammation, let's take it down a notch. It's not just about being a peacekeeper, though. Broccoli is also a provider, supplying your body with a wealth of nutrients that support overall health. And let's not forget that it's a delicious addition to your meals, as it can be enjoyed both raw and cooked. So, whether you're a fan of a refreshing broccoli salad or a comforting broccoli soup, you're doing your body a favor. Remember, the key to a healthy body is balance, and broccoli, our little green friend here, helps maintain that balance by keeping inflammation in check. Who knew that peace in your body could be achieved with a simple serving of broccoli? Broccoli isn't just a side dish, it's a full-fledged against cancer. Now, before your eyebrows shoot up in surprise, let's dive into the science. Numerous studies suggest a link between the consumption of this green powerhouse and a lower risk of certain cancer types. Broccoli belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, and it's not just the black sheep of the bunch. It's more like the secret agent, armed with bioactive compounds that are believed to have anti-cancer effects. These compounds wage war on harmful cells, disrupting their sinister plans to multiply and spread. Of course, we can't claim broccoli to be an absolute cure-all. It's not going to swap places with your doctor or medical treatment, but it's a strong ally to have on your side. It's like having a tiny green army battling away on the cellular front lines for your health. While more research is needed, the evidence so far certainly makes broccoli a promising cancer-fighting food. Broccoli isn't just a health enthusiast's delight. It's also a friend to those managing diabetes. Imagine a natural sidekick, always ready to help you in your quest for better blood sugar control. That's broccoli for you. Now you might be wondering, how does broccoli do this? Well, it's all thanks to the fiber content in broccoli. Fiber is a bit of a superstar when it comes to blood sugar regulation. It slows down sugar absorption into your bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. And there's more. Broccoli is also packed with a group of antioxidants known as flavonoids. These little warriors have been found to lower insulin resistance, which is a common issue for those with type 2 diabetes. But here's the cherry on top, or shall we say the floret on the stalk. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane. This compound has been shown to have incredible potential in improving blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes patients. So, whether you prefer it steamed, roasted, or raw, including broccoli in your diet can be a smart move. It's not just about the crunch, the taste, or the vibrant green color. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to regulate blood sugar effectively. Broccoli might just be the green light you need on your journey to better blood sugar control. Broccoli wears many hats, and heart's best friend is definitely one of them. This green, power-packed veggie is like a personal trainer for your heart. It's all about reducing cholesterol levels and guarding against heart tissue damage. Let's break this down a little. Broccoli is like a cholesterol vacuum cleaner. It sweeps up excess cholesterol in your body and helps to eliminate it. This is largely due to the high fiber content found in broccoli. Imagine it's like a broom, sweeping your arteries clean of unwanted cholesterol, but that's not all. Broccoli also takes on the role of a vigilant bodyguard, protecting your heart tissues from damage. It contains a wealth of antioxidants, those little warriors that fight against harmful free radicals in your body. These free radicals are like tiny invaders causing havoc in your body and can lead to heart disease if left unchecked. But with broccoli on your side, they don't stand a chance. With broccoli, you're not just feeding your belly, you're nurturing your heart. Broccoli isn't just tasty, it's also a great ally for a healthy gut. Now let's talk about the digestive benefits of this green powerhouse. Packed to the brim with fiber, broccoli aids in promoting healthy bowel function. It's kind of like your digestive system's personal trainer, helping to keep things moving smoothly along the track. But that's not all. The antioxidants in broccoli also play a crucial role in our digestive health. They're like the superheroes of the food world, swooping in to protect our cells from damage and inflammation. So, while you're enjoying that delicious crunch, know that you're also helping to maintain a healthy gut. In fact, some might say that broccoli does the dirty work so that your digestive system doesn't have to. It's a tough job, but hey, somebody's got to do it. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some broccoli. Your gut will thank you. With broccoli, you're not just feeding your taste buds, you're also nurturing your gut. Broccoli doesn't just fill your stomach, it also fuels your brain. Now I know what you're thinking. How can this humble veggie, often left untouched on the dinner plate, be a supercharger for our gray matter? Well, let's dive in. Broccoli contains certain compounds that are believed to support our brain's health. These compounds work like a team of diligent workers, constantly repairing and protecting our brain cells from damage. They're like the unsung heroes of the vegetable world, tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep our mental faculties in prime condition. These compounds not only help to keep our brain healthy, but they may also protect against mental decline. Imagine these compounds as a shield, warding off the harmful effects of aging and stress on our brains. This means that regularly munching on broccoli could help keep our minds sharp and agile, no matter how many candles we're blowing out on our birthday cake. So next time you find yourself reaching for a snack, why not choose a bunch of broccoli? It's not just a snack, it's brain food. Feed your brain the food it deserves, feed it broccoli. So there you have it, the top 14 health benefits of broccoli. Who knew this humble green veggie packed such a punch? Our journey began with the surprising revelation of broccoli being a vitamin C champion, outshining many fruits we typically associate with the nutrient. We then dove into the antioxidant arsenal broccoli brings to the table, fighting the good fight against cell damage. We explored broccoli's anti-inflammatory effects, a testament to its versatility. We also touched on its role as a cancer, standing on the front lines in the battle against this dreadful disease. We discovered how this green powerhouse acts as a blood sugar regulator, providing much-needed support for those with diabetes. We learned about its role as the heart's ally, reducing cholesterol levels and protecting heart tissue. We also delved into its properties as a digestive aid, promoting healthy bowel function. And finally, we ended on a high note, discussing how broccoli serves as a brain booster, potentially protecting against mental decline. It's clear that broccoli is more than just a side dish. It's a nutritional heavyweight in the vegetable kingdom, from boosting your immune system to potentially preventing cancer, from regulating blood sugar to supporting heart health. This unassuming veggie is a true all-rounder. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add broccoli to your shopping cart. It's not just a vegetable, it's a health investment. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more surprising health facts. Until next time, keep it green, keep it healthy,